this out, it's lightning ball draw. Today I heard a suspicious noise earlier. First ball out, number 85. Second ball out, number 70. Third ball out, number 35. Fourth ball out, number 17. Fifth ball out, number 25. Sixth and final number is number 41. And the lightning ball is 40. Those numbers again in ascending order. Oh, wait, wrong place. Those numbers again in ascending order are 17, 25, 35, 41, 70, and 85. And the lightning ball is 40. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's day lesson draw. Bye.